Swallow your pride. Just come. Why from your gun? You could have lied and played on. You could have cried or felt song. You could have tried to be there. What did you say? Is that wrong way? What did you say? Is that wrong way? Wrong way? Is that wrong way? Is that wrong way? Is that wrong way? Thank you very much, guys. You having a good day, or? Fucking brilliant. Sorry, excuse my language, but I'm not being funny after the last guy.